How to download and install Grindr app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Grindr. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now simply tap on install. The installation has begun. So what is Grindr? Basically it is a dating app. This is dedicated for gay people and other transgender people. So as you can see, it's getting installed and later you can easily sign up and start using it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.